What the fuck is up? It's Speedy Scoop here bringing you another video. If you guys haven't already tuned in to my other video that I posted yesterday or whatever, just tune into all my videos. Oh damn, the fog coming out. Hold on. Had to jam out a little bit. Anyways, appreciate you guys tuning in again. What I'm gonna be doing for today, Monday morning, it's not too early, it's about 8 o'clock. I will be changing the EVAP solenoid that's right over there. As you can see, it's right there. And once I do that, alright, so I'm not gonna lie and say it was fairly easy to try to do fucking this bolt. So I finally, you know, got this one right here, you know, because there's no room at all. So, you know, I took that out just to, but yeah, there's no fucking room. So it took me fairly long, 5 minutes, but that's long for me when it should have took me like 30 seconds. So I used the extendo to catch the bolt, because, you know, I always drop bolts. And don't you guys hate when you drop bolts like me? Oh, hold on. Extendo, and it's a flashlight. So with that being said, let's take this shit off. Let's put the new one in. Oh, hello guys. I'd always put my mount, but it's easier this way. Alright guys, once you pull it from like back there, you see that little pretty much silver part. You pull it from there, it bolts on like this. You pull out the little clip that's right there, as you guys can see. Then these two right here, you have to take out those. Just remember which ones you put it. Just, you know, got the new one here. But yeah, look at that, big difference. Oh, look at that, a lot nicer, as you can see. Brand new versus God knows how long. But yeah, let's get this done, and then once I start, you know, putting it back on and stuff, we'll get a video. So don't be like me and when you go to take that off and everything, you pull up from the other end. Yeah, so oh crap, I'm gonna put that on and yeah, put the new one old. And then when you put the new one, it had fell out from that little hose right there, or little nozzle. I pulled it out on accident. I put it back. As you can see, I haven't put the little, where'd it go? It's a little connection right there, sensor. The screw, if you can see, is right there. Once I put that on, it's, oh, there it is. As you can see, the little, once I put that on, screw it on, it should be new. Got my cop, gonna turn her on real quick. Gonna take off everything that's on here just to make sure nothing goes into any aspect of the engine. Yeah, let's see if we don't smell gas no more. So part is on. I'm gonna start the car now. Let's do it. All right, got the cob. Cold start. All right, ladies and gents, as you know, I moved her, because I'm being lazy again, under the shade of the perfect tree I have in my front yard. Moved her under here just so I can as you can see, ugly. So I'm gonna sew that together a little bit just so it can look a little bit more presentable. I'm gonna have to clean up all this rubbing compound off this. I also went and bought some, oh crap, damn, I put my chair far as fuck back. I went and bought some wax and some more rubbing compound because I have it all over my car. As you can see, it dried out because last night I just ended up leaving it and I forgot to wash it off and finish it off and doing with everything. So redo to that car. I'm gonna do my girl's car, and yeah, just chill vibes today. Vibes, Monday vibes, because today's Monday, so Monday vibes. So everyone that vibes with me, like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. And did I express how emotional I am that she finally doesn't smell like gas anymore? Because that shit was so nauseating. I'm glad it doesn't smell like gas anymore. I'm glad every aspect of this car I've changed so far, from a union bolt, screw, to the VVT solenoid, to adding the cob tuning to see everything that I needed wrong, to fucking the radiator. I put a new radiator fucking catch can metal thing, fucking I put, jeez, just keep up with my videos because I have a long list and I've only had this car for like 3 weeks. The list is going to continue growing, so every Subaru fan, every Mini Cooper fan, every Lexus fan, every Mazda fan, every car enthusiast, just subscribe. Just show me love. Also, my Instagram, speedy_scoob. That's the real one right there. Florida's be hot all the time. Alright guys, this is what we're working with, and please don't judge the dirtiness that I have not cleaned. I can play tic-tac-toe on this bitch. Anyways, don't judge the dirtiness that I haven't cleaned yet. I will deep scrub that so it will look blue again. What we're gonna be working on today is, I went to my mom's house and I grabbed something. I had the pill jar, but it's a needle in there. And it's black and blue. Look at dark blue. Look at that. Ha! Ha! So I'm gonna use some. Oh, that's a black. Damn it. All right. I thought I was smart. Ha! Oh shit! She didn't give me black eye for dark blue. We should be good. Super hot outside. I'm listening to music. My brother's looking out, waxing it. He dropped the rag. I got it on camera. I was trying to show that he was waxing my car. Now he's gotta get another one. All right.
Now you'll be able to put me on camera and shit.
I'm running, shaking the camera. All right. All right. As you guys can see, let me show you. Oh, this is just normal. Ooh. You're looking right. She don't smell like gas no more. She getting a nice wax. Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, I don't care if I'm doing the wrong way. This is my way.
Alright. This shit dope. Alright. I don't even know where this video is going from now on, but it's pretty much that part's installed. A wax came out of nowhere because my brother came through. I mean, we were supposed to finish it out today, but we didn't know what time, so it's about what, 4, almost 3:30. So I think it's a good time, and then we can finish the chair and keep it going. Daily vibes. All right, the heat definitely got us. We're under the shade. Nice big tree. Thank the Lord. He's got the gun. You already know.
Yeah.
Packing the gun right there.
Get.
But it's looking right. Ah, hit the thing. The wing's so big.
Neo García, Bray, Juanca.
La Air Force son brand new, las uñas verdes como mis hijos. Una prenda que me cambia la actitud. Esta noche no queremos revolú. Arrebatado dando vueltas en la jipeta. A los míos tengo una rubia que tiene grande las tetas. Quiere que yo se lo meta. Arrebatado dando vueltas en la jipeta. Conmigo una rubia tiene grande las tetas. Quiere que se lo meta. Arrebatado dando vueltas en la jipeta.
Prendemos de la híbrida. Tiene cara de atrevida, pero sin alcohol es tímida. Y como si nada se pega y muestra su habilidad. Y la deja chocar como los guantes de Trinidad. Y ninguna le llega. Nunca se niega, de mí no se despega. El cuadre me lo entrega, ya no está pa' perder. Se acostumbra a ganar, yo trato de no caer. Pero tú eres el final y me enredo. Pero procedo, lo que pidas mami te lo concedo. Platiste en Cali, zapato Roberto Capali. No le gusta la Molly ni la Pali. Y yo sé que quizás o tal vez suben de 3 en 3. Yo tiré con este, brillan mis diamantes. Y eso te gusta y te corre. Fumar hasta que tu mente se borre.
Arrebatado dando vueltas en la jipeta. Conmigo una rubia tiene grande las tetas. Quiere que se lo meta. Arrebatado dando vueltas en la jipeta. Machinando en la troca. La cubana que a cualquiera desenfoca. Con una demonia que se baja.
Damn, it's hot. There's a lot of mosquitoes, but I appreciate you guys tuning in to today's video. It was short, straight to the point. Did a couple things, but other than that, I appreciate you guys tuning in. I just be doing everyday life things, so like, comment, subscribe. Also, comment everything you want to see to any of my builds. My Instagram, speedy_scoob. Never forget that. Appreciate Speedy Scoobs out.